Hello everyone, welcome back to the platformer lessons. This lesson will be another challenge lesson. In challenge number 2, you'll be tasked with creating level 2. Level 1 is fairly complete. You're able to get past the enemies and platform your way over to the end point of the level. Level 2, though, is completely empty right now. The design for level 2 is largely up to you, but you should include 2 gaps to jump over and at least 2 fly enemies to dodge or defeat. If you want an example of how it might look, try this design out and see what changes you might like to make. Ensure that level 2 has a castle object at the end and that it brings the player to level 3. Next, if the player runs out of health, instead of destroying them, set the room to be the current room. For instance, if you're in level 2, reload level 2. In order to accomplish this, instead of checking inside the player loop if the player has run out of health, you'll do so inside each level. Remember, if you're trying to check the player's health from the level, you'll be looking at the Astro object's health. Also, check if the player falls off the level. If so, reload the room the same way. You can do this by comparing the player's Y value to a number you want and seeing if it's less than that. Finally, set up level 3 to look like this for now. We'll add more to it soon. As a hint, if you wish to go straight to level 2 or level 3 when you start your game, just change this line in the game start. Good luck! I'll see you in the next lesson.